Hi students, it's Mrs. Nelson. So the next step after we've taken all of our annotations and we've copied them into list form in our Google document to give us some speaking points, what we can do is we can then start organizing our speaking points into what kind of paragraphs do we want to build or what kind of sections do we want to build. If we want to keep the same outline as what we got from our original article, then maybe all you do is that you put some space in between the first part that's going to be your first paragraph and then your next paragraph. Or if you're going to rearrange it, or if you want to be able to organize it in a different way, of course you can use a graphic organizer, and there are some really great graphic organizers. Some are digital, some are things on pencil and paper, or some that you could create in a digital way. But another thing that you can do is that you can just insert a table. So if I come up here and I choose insert and a table, and I want to end up writing 4 paragraphs or 5 paragraphs or whatever I want to do, I can then insert that many cells, either across or down, depending on how you like to organize your thoughts. So maybe I want to do it across and I want to have my 5 paragraphs. And I want to take this information right here. I'm going to highlight it. All I did was triple click it to highlight that whole line. Then I'm going to use Control X to cut it. And then I'm going to paste it in the paragraph where it belongs. So you could, within this table, you could make bullet points, for example. So I'm going to, it's right here. So I'm going to come up here to my formatting options, and I'm going to choose to insert some bullet points. So maybe that makes it easier, but once it's in the table, especially if it's side by side like that, sometimes words like atmosphere don't fit all the way across. So maybe you don't want to do bullet points. Maybe you want to put a space in between each of the ideas. So again, when it comes time for you to compose a sentence, you have one idea grouped together and it's not mixed with everything else. So again, you can copy that into any part of the table. So maybe I thought that would be better if it was in the 3rd paragraph. And then I can organize my ideas that way. So choose how you want to organize it, but it makes sense to organize your thoughts before you start writing so that you can write or speak, if you're going to use text to type, voice typing tool, that's what it's called. If you're going to use voice typing, so that you are able to speak about all the things that are related. And again, focus on just 1 paragraph worth of ideas at a time, rather than being overwhelmed by your whole list of potential speaking points. So I will address the typing part in our next video. Thanks for watching.